And what a good morning. It is Thursday, about 7 o'clock in the morning. Slept in a little bit today. A little bit stuffy from our walk yesterday, maybe. Anyway, we're going to go back down to the beach, do a little bit of a morning walk before the beach closes for dogs. And I'm going to get me a good breakfast again at Forbes, because I was really enjoying that yesterday. We came back to the motel. I took a quick dip in the pool. Bo slept through the whole thing in the room because, well, he was just tuckered out. So, anyway, gonna get on the road, head down to the beach, do a little walk, and yeah, get some breakfast, and let's get into today. We decided to come to Drake's Island this morning instead of going down to regular Wells Beach. If we pan over, we look way out into the distance over on that side. That's the other side of Wells Beach. So that rock wall is what we walked down to yesterday morning. This is just the other side of it. But I figured I'd throw you on the little chest mount here, and why not make a little morning walk out of it? Somebody is ready to go. You would like to do beach walks. Yeah, you ready? Okay. So yeah, if I'm not mistaken, we basically walked over the other side of this wall where that lifeguard stand is. How'd that work out for you? How'd that work out for you? Yeah, we're back at the jetty. There's 7 minutes to spare before dog hours are done. Theoretically, anyways. There's nobody here at the beach other than people with dogs, so how much that's actually enforced, who knows? According to my watch, we did 1.1 miles for a total of 29 minutes, 41 seconds. That means it's time for breakfast. We've got breakfast in the house. The skies are looking a little bit dark, so I'm gonna sit here, eat the breakfast, and see what happens, because I don't want to drive the 30 minutes to the Wiggly Bridge and then have it get rained out. They are calling for thunderstorms today, so it is a big possibility. We got basically the same breakfast from yesterday, except this time we've got eggs over easy instead of over hard. And we've also got a little side of toast. Does it look good? You a little hungry? Yeah, you hungry? You are hungry? Okay. It's watermelon. All gone. We gonna go so you can have breakfast? Your actual breakfast. Okay. Look at that, sun's coming out. So before we go and check out that new path at the Wiggly Bridge, or the path that we haven't been taking, there's a dog park about 8 minutes down the road in Ogunquit. We're gonna go check that out. Hopefully it's not too busy. Bo's not super fond of really high energy dogs. He just kind of likes to put his sniffer to the ground and roam around. So I'm hoping it's kind of not super busy right now. It's about 10 o'clock in the morning. So if it is, maybe we'll go to Wiggly Bridge first and then come back and see how it is in the afternoon. Guess there's only one way to find out. You wanna go check out the park? Go for a ride to the doggy park? Let's go. So that was a nice little trip to the Ogunquit dog park. There was only one other dog here while we were here, so not too bad. A little bit hot out today though, about 85 degrees, sun beating down, so definitely time to head somewhere where there's water for him to go into. Sweet chili chicken wings, pepperoni and beef pizza. Don't judge me until you try it. It's good. A blueberry cheesecake for dessert.
The next day.
Well, it is Friday morning, the last morning. Just getting everything packed up here in the motel so we can get on the road. Normally, I would stay here, go for a beach walk in the morning, but I had a lot to pack up, and unfortunately, walks on the beach are ending soon. So we might go find something to do on the way back, but probably just gonna end this one here. Maybe do a little bit of filming on the way back, but who knows? We'll see. We may end this one back at the shop. Somebody's already ready to go, it would appear. What are you doing? Oh, big stretch. Hi.